Unlock your potential with a comprehensive suite of investing tools and expert education with GammaEdge. Start your free 14-day trial today.
Good morning, traders. This is Michael coming to you from GammaEdge on November 1st. Happy November 1st today. We're going to do a pre-market morning strategy session. Our web app is working well for pre-market data, so make sure you're checking that out. The SPX PBI BMO commentary has already been posted, so I'm not going to belabor that point or go over it any further. Basically, I'm just going to discuss the SPX 0DT. We'll discuss the SPY 0DT for today as we head into FOMC in the first of the month. So as we were looking at the SPX 0DT here, obviously we cannot see a transition box that was drawn, obviously because negative GEX is above positive GEX. We posted a significant commentary on that and understanding why that is occurring at the moment. So I just want to draw your attention, obviously, to this 4,200 level. This is the largest gamma strike. We've added a net OI column for all of our members. Make sure you understand what that is. Basically, it's the call OI versus put OI, and we've added a negative symbol also, not only just color commentary, so be able to see what if the calls or puts are actually winning the battle at each strike and understanding how that's going to affect price movement. So where we're going to be opening this morning is if we open right at 4,200 and then we move above 4,200, this negative net delta, all these puts will go out of the money. And obviously we have some call that net delta above us. And as we move through these strikes, these will be supportive type action and accelerate us to the upside. We'd be looking for a move up towards this 42.15 to 42.20. Then you'll notice the negative net delta comes in there. We still have positive net OI and positive call structure heading into that. If we get down below that 4,200 and start creeping down below that, you see that there's not a significant amount of net OI puts really until we start getting down toward that 4160 level. That would most likely be a weakness type target down towards that level if we do see some morning selling and weakness. You'll notice some calls, smaller call OI there at these structures at 4190, 4180, and then 4165. So I'd anticipate if you're looking for trading 0DT, probably some pausing as we move down through those levels. There might be some sideways consolidation and then continuation of either selling or a move back to the upside. So into the open, here's what I'm looking at. Where we open at will be significantly important. If we open above 4,200 and we do see that negative net delta go out of the money in those puts, then I would anticipate some more move back to the upside, 42.15 to 42.20. If we are below this 4,200, we'll be capturing those negative net deltas, and then we'll be moving down most likely at least towards this 41.80 and then 41.65 to 41.70 on the downside. Again, timing will be extremely important. Make sure you're watching the opening range and watching the books clear as we move into the FOMC at 2:30. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the SPY for today. While that's populating, and go ahead and remind everybody that the web app obviously will be updating in the morning. Make sure you're checking that last updated time. Spot price will not be updated until after the open, so make sure you're understanding that the spot price will not be updated. So here's SPY, obviously where we're at. We have transitions drawn here at 416 to 417, so I'd anticipate us to have some sort of supportive type action if we move down toward that level. Understanding what the net OI here is, we have significant amount of puts winning the battle here, but this is green net delta that will be supportive. If we get above this 420, obviously moving significantly higher is most likely going to be stifled right around that 421, 422, which would match that SPX, basically 4220. Positive net OI, positive calls above us, but negative net delta. In that 420 again, significant level there. So we'll watch how this kind of plays out today. Not looking for significant downside on SPY. Make sure you're watching the Vol M and Vol D command. That centroid yesterday was extremely important as we move throughout the day. Able to watch those calls and puts increase and decrease, and it's usually highly unlikely that we'll cross the centroid to the upside or the downside. So it really gave you nice levels yesterday to trade again. So we'll go ahead and look at the trading view script heading in this morning. We did have a move up really right to the pre-market high, which was denoted here. For yesterday, Qs we moved to the yesterday's previous day high, which was that 351 level, and then we're seeing some stalling and pullback today. So how I'll be playing it is after the open, we'll let the opening range clear, look at the opening morning book clearing, and see how we're kind of looking. Again, 4,200 where we open, I've already denoted that and marked that will be extremely important. Then 4,190, and then heading down towards this kind of 4,180 to 4,175, that in-trans level that we crossed yesterday, really to accelerate that move to the upside. So make sure you're asking questions. We have open mic tonight, understanding that when we cross these levels, what is occurring for our book, what is occurring for the dealer's book, and why we see that acceleration of price through these levels, as Paul discussed this morning on the commentary also. So that's it for me this morning. Really short one. Make sure everybody just is patient today. Obviously, we'll have significant news coming out at 2:30. Probably more than likely status quo, and you'll see some volatility heading into that, but then we'll really see kind of on the other side where we're coming out and how we're looking for positioning. So I'll be in the Discord in a few minutes. If everybody needs anything, let us know, and let's make it a great day. Thanks.